everyone, this is Simran Dhingra and I'm a content creator and I make fashion and mental health videos on my Instagram. I'm so excited to be a part of Be a Gem campaign initiated by Gem Selections. Taking responsibility to promote mental health in these tough times is a great initiative by a brand. In this video, I will tell you how to keep yourself mentally fit during these tough times. And I know these times are really tough, but you have to follow some things to keep yourself mentally fit because mental health is the most important asset for you. Physical health is equally important as mental health, and in this video I will tell you some of the measures which I have been following in this pandemic to keep myself mentally sane. So I hope this video is helpful to you guys. So let's get into the video. The first thing is have a routine. The first major point is have a routine, because I think it's amazing to have a routine in these tough times, because then you will go by the day and you don't overthink and dwell on things. Because अगर आप सुबह उठे, हम अब आजकल इन टाइम्स में हमारे पास उतनी एनर्जी नहीं होती जितनी यूजुअली हमारे पास होती थी. सो वी नीड टू हैव अ रूटीन, ताकि हम सोचें ना कि हम ये करें वो करें और हम कुछ ना करें, एंड देन वील ओवर थिंक एंड वील फील लो, वील थिंक अबाउट नेगेटिव थिंग्स. सो इट्स बेटर टू हैव अ रूटीन गाइज. हैव अ ईजी वन, प्रोडक्टिव वन, वेरी हार्ड वन, वट एवर यू लाइक. एंड it's okay at the end of the day अगर आप अपना रूटीन नहीं फॉलो कर पा रहे. just be easy on yourself, be kind to yourself in these tough times. It's so important. Secondly guys, limit your social media time and limit your screen time, because if anything bad happens in India, or if anything bad happens in the world for that matter, you consume it so much to social media that you tend to overthink so much about that, and then it tend to build negative emotions inside you. And you don't have to think so much about the thing, but through social media you tend to think. I'll give an example. Like in the recent times, Sushant Singh Rajput has died, and yes, it did hit like a personal loss to everyone. Yes, to me also and to you also. But social media के through हमने इतना ज़्यादा वो content consume कर लिया कि हम इतना low feel करने लग गए. तो guys, थोड़ा सा social media का time decrease कर दीजिए. I'm not saying don't use, please do use, but limit your social media time, because तब आप अपनी मेंटल हेल्थ को सेन रख पाएंगे. अगर आप एक स्क्रीन पे ही लगे रहेंगे और इतना कंटेंट कंज्यूम करते रहेंगे जिससे आपको कोई मतलब ही नहीं है, तो आई डोंट थिंक सो इट्स अ ग्रेट आइडिया टू कीप योर मेंटल हेल्थ. सो थर्डली, एक्सरसाइज. एंड आई नो इट्स अ रियली टफ थिंग एंड वी आर ऑल लेजी इन दिस क्वारंटीन. वी लव गोइंग टू आवर gyms. I personally miss going to gyms, but yeah, in these tough times, I think exercise can really lift your mood. I'm not saying do high intense training. Just do a small workout. Just do a 10 minutes, 20 minutes yoga, whatever workout you like. Trust me, हम बहुत lazy feel करते हैं, हमें लगता है कि it's okay, let's just skip it. But if you do it, you tend to feel so much good about your own self. It is an instant mood lifter, guys. I am telling you from my experience. I do yoga every day, and I think after stretching, after releasing all the tensions in my body, I just feel 10 times better about the day than I used to feel. So I think exercise is a great mood lifter and you should all do it. I'm not saying do cardio or any intense training, but just try to do a little bit of it. The fourth thing is meditate, guys. And I know बहुत लोग ये practice नहीं करते हैं और ये आपने बहुत जगह सुना होगा, लेकिन मैं भी नहीं करती थी before this lockdown. I never practiced meditation in my entire life. But I've started doing since 2 months, and trust me, it has made me so much calmer. I used to be in this moment. I used to be doing something, and I used to think about the other thing. But now I'm trying myself to be in a single moment, to be in the present moment, and trust me, it has calmed my inner self so much. Just try it. Just try to sit for 5 minutes. I'm not saying do a 1 hour meditation. Just try to sit for 5 minutes, and trust me, you will instantly feel better. Try it. Fifth is the most important one. Keep in touch with your close ones. I know the times are really tough. Some people are away from their families. They can't meet their families because of this lockdown. Nobody ever thought that these times will come when we can't see our family whenever we want to. So I know these times are tough, but just technology has improved so much that you can be in touch through video calls, through calls. Just keep in touch and don't be isolated in these tough times, because negative thoughts tend to build up when we are isolated and when we are really sad and lonely. So just try to be in contact with your loved ones, and it's really important. Talk to an old friend, talk to anybody you like, but do talk and do express your emotions in these tough times. Don't dwell over them, guys. The last one is practice gratitude. I know in these tough times, people just tend to forget what they already have, and by practicing gratitude, you will know and you will identify what you already have. You have a great, you are fit, you are fine, you have another day to live, you have a supporting family, you have friends, or I don't know what you have, but whatever you have, just embrace it, appreciate it, practice gratitude. It's a great thing. And trust me, once you started practicing gratitude, it's not a one day affair. You have to practice it daily. But once you do it daily, you will tend to feel so much good about the day. And I'm telling you from my experience, whenever I wake up, whenever I just sit with myself and I say 5 things that I'm really grateful for, and trust me, it's an instant mood lifter. And I see around myself, I'm so grateful for so many things. You can practice gratitude at any point of your day, before sleep, after you wake up, anytime. And thank you guys for watching, and I hope this video is helpful, and I hope you keep yourself mentally fit. Sometimes it takes an effort to keep yourself mentally fit, but do that effort for your own self. And in your whole life, you will only have you, so work on yourself.